Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Jesus Dimension. That's right, guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Jesus Dimension, and I cannot wait to make it to this dimension and meet up with Jesus, because I really love Jesus, and Jesus really loves me. I know he does, guys, as well as he loves all of you guys that are watching this video right now, guys. Jesus loves everybody. So do I. I love everybody as well. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. After you have done that, then you're going to need 4 blocks of gold. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool, just like that, right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 block of gold right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 white wool on this side, and then 5 white wool right in the middle, smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 block of gold on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. That really does look amazing. But now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, that looks even more amazing, guys. Wow, I really love that. Wow, that is really nice, guys. I cannot wait to go through this, guys, and meet up with Jesus. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Oh my God, guys, we finally made it. Wow, this dimension is absolutely amazing. I knew it was going to be amazing, but I didn't think we was going to actually make it to heaven, guys. And oh my God, these must be angels. Oh, and they have wings as well, guys. Oh my God. I really want to be an angel, guys. I really want to be an angel, and I really want to get my wings, guys. Wow, I cannot wait to be an angel and to get my wings and also to get my halo, guys. Oh my God. I gotta be good, guys. I gotta be good. The rest of my life from here on out, guys, I'm going to try to be the best I can be, because I really want to make it to heaven, guys. And I really want to be friends with all of these angels. And hopefully you guys make it to heaven as well, guys, so you guys can be turned into an angel, and then we all can be friends. That would be absolutely amazing, guys. If you guys got turned into angels, I got turned into an angel, and then we all became friends, guys. But wow, this place is absolutely amazing. I really love the gold roads, guys. Wow, this place is really amazing. I really love this place, guys. Wow. I want to spend the rest of my life in heaven, guys. I never want to leave this dimension, guys. Let's go ahead and let's see what's this way, guys. Wow, there's a lot of angels, guys. Wow. And oh my God. Right here's Jesus, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with Jesus. And this is obviously where Jesus comes. And he obviously sets down right here, guys, and then like all the angels fly in after watching us down on earth, guys, and then if we're good, Jesus puts our names in one of these books, and that way he can keep up with everybody that's going to make it to heaven. And hopefully my name's in one of these books, guys, because I really want to live in this place for the rest of my life, guys. Wow. I really do love this place. And hopefully your guys' names are in these books as well. I'm pretty sure they are. I'm pretty sure all of our names are in these books, guys. But wow, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with Jesus. This is the greatest day of my life, guys. Wow. I cannot believe this right now, guys. I am actually meeting up with Jesus and all of these angels as well, guys. Wow. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and give Jesus some gifts. I'm going to give him some TNT, and I'm also going to give him all my enchanted golden apples because he really deserves them, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and give him all those. So, hopefully he enjoys them. Hopefully he loves them because I really love him, and I know he really loves me, guys. And he also loves all of you guys, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to check out the rest of this dimension, all right, Jesus? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and check it out, guys, and see what is happening. But wow, guys, this place is amazing. Let's go ahead and let's head this way, guys. I really love these gold roads, guys. I really do love the gold roads. But oh my God, guys. Oh my God, right here's a baby angel. Oh my God, even babies can become angels. Wow, guys, that is amazing. Wow, I did not even know that. I didn't even think about that. Wow, that is amazing. But right here, guys, this is obviously where they baptize people in heaven. I could only imagine, guys. I could only imagine being baptized in heaven. I would be sin-free then, guys. I would be absolutely sin-free. I feel like I'm sin-free just swimming around in it, guys. Wow, I really do love this place, guys. This place is absolutely amazing. Wow. This place is amazing, guys. I really love heaven, guys. Let's go ahead and let's see what's over there, guys. It looks like they have an iron chair, a diamond chair, and they also have an emerald chair, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's inside these chests. A bunch of diamonds. Wow, guys, they are rich. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. Diamond armor and a bunch of enchanted apples. Oh my God, guys, this place really is amazing. And oh my God, let's see what's inside this chest. A totem of undying and a bunch of blocks of emeralds. Wow, guys. I really do love this dimension. Wow, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and spawn my pig, and then he can sit in this chair right here, guys. And then I'll sit in the diamond one, guys. Wow, I could just sit in this for the rest of my life. Because I absolutely love heaven, guys. Wow. It's just so peaceful, guys. It's like nothing can hurt you when you're in heaven because you're protected by all the angels and you're also protected by Jesus. And he won't let anything happen to you, guys. Nothing at all. And wow, guys, this place really is amazing. Wow, I really do love this place, guys. And I think my pig really loves this place as well. Do you, pig? Do you really love heaven? Yeah, he really does. He's doing spins. I think he wants to dance. Do you want to dance with me, pig? Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Let's dance, pig. Let's dance all over the place. He's just looking at me like, what are you doing? I'm trying to dance with you, man. Well, now he wants to dance. But wow, guys, this place really is amazing. Wow, I really love this place. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to give them my weapons because I'm not going to need them. I'm in heaven. I'm protected, guys. I'm not going to need the TNT either. I'm just going to go ahead and give that to him as well. I would never cause any harm to heaven, guys. There's no way I would do it. But oh my God, right here's the baby angel. Wow, she's just so precious, guys. Wow. I really, really do love that there's baby angels, guys. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. And even a chicken's in heaven, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and let's meet back up with Jesus, guys, because I really want to say goodbye to him because I really, really do love Jesus. Wow. This is just so great, guys. This is just so amazing. Wow, I cannot believe this. Don't worry, guys. I will put in a good word for all of you guys. I will try to get all of your names in these books, guys, so you guys can make it to heaven as well, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know if you think this dimension is absolutely amazing. I know you think this dimension's amazing, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.